Welcome to our video about the top 10 must-visit cultural festivals in the world. In this video, we'll take you on a journey around the globe to explore some of the most vibrant and exciting cultural festivals that you simply can't miss. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of cultural festivals together. Number 10. Blackneck Crane Festival, Bhutan. Imagine witnessing the arrival of hundreds of graceful and sacred birds in a stunning valley surrounded by mountains. That's what you can experience at the Black-necked Crane Festival in Bhutan, a country known for its happiness and spirituality. The festival is held every year in November at the Gunga Te Goemba, a beautiful and ancient monastery that overlooks the Fabjika Valley. Number 9. Oktoberfest, Germany. If you love beer, food, and fun, then you should definitely add Oktoberfest to your bucket list. This is the world's largest and most famous beer festival, held every year in September and October in Munich, Germany. The festival dates back to 1810, when it was first celebrated to honor the marriage of Prince Ludwig and Princess Therese. Today, it attracts more than 6 million visitors from all over the world, who come to enjoy the festive atmosphere and the delicious Bavarian beer. Number 8. Holi Festival, India and Pakistan. Holi is a colorful and joyful festival that celebrates the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. It is based on ancient Hindu stories and traditions, and it happens on March 28th and 29th in 2021. Number 7. Harbin International Ice and Snow Sculpture Festival, China. Harbin is a city in northeast China that has a very cold winter, with temperatures dropping to -17 degrees Celsius on average. The cold wind comes from Siberia, which makes the city feel like the Arctic. But this also makes Harbin the perfect place to host one of the most amazing winter festivals in the world, the Harbin International Ice and Snow Sculpture Festival. The festival lasts for a month, from January 5th to February 5th in 2021. It attracts millions of visitors who come to see the giant ice sculptures that decorate the city. The sculptures are made from frozen water from the nearby Songhua River, and they are illuminated with colorful lights at night. Number 6. Naadam Festival, Mongolia. If you want to experience the ancient traditions of Mongolia, there is no better time than the Naadam Festival in early July. This festival is held in the capital city of Ulaanbaatar and marks the national holiday of the country. It is a colorful and lively event that showcases the skills and arts of the nomadic people who have lived on the vast steppes for centuries. The Naadam Festival is also known as the Three Games of Men because it features 3 main sports: wrestling, archery, and horse racing. These sports were popular during the time of the legendary Genghis Khan, who united the Mongol tribes and created a vast empire in the 13th century. Competitors, as well as the beauty and diversity of the Mongolian culture. Number 5. FES Festival of World Sacred Music, Morocco. To celebrate this heritage, the Fez Festival of World Sacred Music was launched in 1994 with the support of Morocco's King Mohammed VI. This festival is one of the best music festivals in the world, attracting more than 100,000 people every year. The Fez Festival of World Sacred Music aims to promote peace, dialogue, and diversity through the power of music. Number 5. Timkat Festival, Ethiopia. Imagine celebrating the baptism of Jesus in the most colorful and festive way possible. That's what Timkat Festival is all about. Every year, on January 18th, Ethiopian Orthodox Christians take part in this joyful event that honors the Epiphany. They carry replicas of the Ark of the Covenant, called tablets, from their churches to a nearby water source. The tablets are wrapped in beautiful fabrics and silks, and the priests hold them on their heads as they lead the procession. At dawn, the water is blessed by the priests, who then splash it on the crowd. Number 4. Wida International Voodoo Festival, Benin. If you want to experience the mysterious and powerful world of voodoo, you should visit Benin on January 10th. This is the day when the Wida International Voodoo Festival takes place, attracting thousands of people from different countries and backgrounds. Benin is considered the birthplace of West African Vodun, a religion that believes in the existence of sacred spirits that rule the earth. During the festival, you can witness rituals, dances, sacrifices, and ceremonies that showcase the rich and diverse culture of voodoo. Number 3. St. Patrick's Day, Belfast. If you want to experience the joy and charm of Ireland's national celebration, you should go to Belfast for St. Patrick's Day. It's a day full of green, fun, and music that will make you feel the Irish spirit. The festivities start at noon with a colorful parade that winds through the city streets. You can join the crowd and follow the parade to Custom House Square, where you can enjoy a feast of food, drink, and live music that lasts all afternoon. Don't forget to wear something green and buy a shamrock on Victoria Street to show your support. Number 2. Semana Santa in Spain. This is a week-long celebration of the last days of Jesus Christ, from Palm Sunday to Easter Sunday. It is a very important and sacred time for many Catholics in Latin America, especially in Spain. Depending on where you go, you will see different ways of honoring the passion, death, and resurrection of Christ. Some cities, like Malaga and Seville, have spectacular parades with colorful floats and costumes. Others, like Valladolid and Zamora, have more solemn and quiet processions. Number 1. Oktoberfest in Germany. This is the world's largest and most famous beer festival, held every year in Munich. It started in 1810 as a celebration of the marriage of a Bavarian prince and princess, and it has become a huge part of the local culture and history. Millions of people from all over the world come to enjoy the festive atmosphere, the delicious food, the fun rides, and of course, the beer. You will see people wearing traditional Bavarian outfits, such as dirndls and lederhosen, and dancing to lively music. It is a great way to experience the German spirit and have a blast. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.